Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a banana soft serve ice cream. This is actually a suggestion, or a question I should say, from one of my readers. I posted the mint soft serve on my website and they asked, have you ever made a banana soft serve? I haven't, so today we're making it together. Let's get started. So here I have 2 bananas that are perfect for banana bread, but we're gonna be using them to make banana ice cream. And you can see they're nicely spotted. That means they're gonna be super sweet and have that great banana flavor. And I also put these in the fridge so they would get nice and cold. So they have been in the fridge for about maybe 5 or so hours. We're gonna put them in the mix, my vanilla soft serve mix, and see how it goes. My little guy loves to process the bananas, so we put them in the food processor and he's gonna go ahead and puree them. Can you do it? Show them how you do it. Keep going. You want to make sure they're medium size, not too large and not too small. We're going for a nice banana flavor here. So the pudding mixture, you're going to want to put in about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of pudding mix. I go for 1 tablespoon, but you can go anywhere from 1 to 2 for this amount. So there we have our pudding mixture.
Do I mix it up again?
You want to hold this?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to let my little guy put some vanilla extract in there as well. Excited?
Vanilla extract.
We're going to go for a teaspoon of vanilla. There you go, bug. You could put this cup in and then mommy will put the next one. So we're going to go for 100 grams of sugar. Here you go. Let's see. That's 45.
45.
You want to put a little more? Let's see.
Yes. What's this one now? What's this one?
That is 78. Mommy's going to do the rest, okay? Can I do the rest?
Yes, you could.
Thanks.
I wish I did.
You wish you did?
Yes. What? Oh. I don't want to smoke.
Watch your cancels.
Well, this.
That's fine. You could knock it off, bud. Blitz it again. All right, so I'm going to pour this in. You can smell. Smell good?
It smells yummy.
Oh, that does smell so good. It smells like banana. Help me pour it in.
Yes.
We're going to pour that into our mason jar.
Mason jar.
I want you to put in 240 grams of that whipping cream. Can you pay attention really closely to those numbers when it says 240? Careful, it's gonna go fast. Look, where are we? What number is that?
5, 8, 1. What's that?
So that was backwards. That is 185. Okay?
More?
So let's go. What do we want? We want 240.
Yeah, so you
Ready?
want 240.
We want a little bit over. That's okay.
243.
420 grams of milk. Okay?
I want to smell it.
Ooh, we're at the top.
I want to drink in that.
All right, so now we need to shake it. We have our banana layer and then our milk layer. And I'm gonna make sure that lid is on really tight and we're just gonna give it a
I want to do that.
good shake. You wanna shake it? All right, careful, it's glass. Good job. Wow, that's some good shaking. Should we add some yellow food dye, bud?
Yes. Ooh, could I pour it in?
You could squeeze it in. You gotta squeeze the food
I
dye.
just said that with
Ready?
on it.
You wanna squeeze the food dye in?
Yeah, I want to squeeze the food dye in
We're gonna
really
try a
hard.
little bit of food dye in there. Let me get a little bit more. Food dyes we use, these are walk-ins, and they are great for when you're not baking things. He cannot wait to stir this up. You wanna shake it again? Mama's gonna help you close that lid really tight, okay?
I can't do it.
Up and down a little, up and down. It's yellow now, bud. Look at that.
It's green a little, but it's yellow.
It's starting to look a little green because the color is mixed. But that looks,
Oh, look, some yellow.
oh, there's some yellow on the bottom, so we gotta shake, 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 shake. So this is the perfect pastel yellow. I think we're gonna just go ahead and do it now. What do you think? Should we just make it now? I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Let's see how it
idea.
works with not waiting. Go ahead and pour our mixture in. And this is our first time trying banana, so we will see. If this video isn't posted, obviously it didn't work out, but if it is, it was amazing. All right, one more good shake. You've got a little bit of air in there now from all the shaking. We're gonna turn our machine on. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in first. I know I poured it a little bit down that other area, but thankfully there's a catch area over there. I'm gonna put this in like that. I'm gonna go with soft ice cream level 6 and turn it on and see how it goes. I'm so excited. Banana ice cream, what?
What?
Let's see.
I never tried it.
Me either. I've never made a banana ice cream. I had a few questions about the container size I use, and it's just a 32-ounce ball mason jar. I absolutely love these. I use it for leftover pasta once I open the container. I use it for my sourdough starter. As you see, I've used it for my ice cream mixture, and I also use it for herbs. I use it for coffee. When I grind up my coffee, when I drink my coffee, we also use it for just drinking. I love 16-ounce and 32-ounce mason jars, but the 32-ounce are perfect for making a batch of ice cream. I will leave my affiliate link in the description below in case you guys want to get it. I find that Walmart is the cheapest, and I do get them shipped for a great price. We could even, when you can have peanut butter, guess what? We could do a peanut butter banana. What do you think about that?
Whoa.
That would be so good.
That sounds amazing.
I know. It sounds so good. As you can see, we're getting closer to our soft serve. It is coating the barrel a little bit more and getting nice and thick. It looks perfect. It's thickened, the volume is increasing. As it freezes more, it's gonna get higher and higher inside of here. It is looking great. Getting very high. It hasn't stopped yet, so we're still letting it chill until it's the perfect soft serve temperature. My little guy is gonna go ahead and get his own ice cream cone. It just stopped. As you can see, it is very full on top. Able to have ice cream now. So he got his ice cream cone and it looked perfect. Here we go. It's good, banana. There it is, there's our ice cream. This is banana soft serve. If you're in the GreenPan Frost Facebook group, you may have seen this question asked about the temperature of the soft serve. I'm gonna go ahead and temp it. According to Google, it says it should be around 21 to 24 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put it in the container and see how much the temperature is compared to what it should be. So some people have said it's not what it should be. We'll see. I'm pretty much fine with the temperature we have here. I'm gonna put it in extrude mode and we'll see the temperature. Ooh, we are at 23. Ooh, I'm paying attention. I'm paying attention to the thermometer. Ah, sorry. Ooh, my ice cream. We're at 24.3, 24. Oh man, I almost lost all my ice cream. 23.9. So we're right at the end of the acceptable temperature range for a soft serve. So I would say this is perfect. It works for our needs. And we've got our ice cream. I didn't lose too much, thank God. Oh boy. All right, so we're gonna take the thermometer out and we're gonna put this up. I think I lost just a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but not too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna clean that mess up and then we're gonna clean up our GreenPan Frost. I hope you found the temperature helpful. It really is my favorite ice cream maker. It makes beautiful desserts. It's not just for ice cream, it makes slushies, you can make milkshakes, and it's just an all-around great machine. I also loved it so much that I bought it for my sister for her birthday/Christmas present, because I find that, you know, if you really like something, that's what you do. You get things for people you love and you care about. And I hope she enjoys it as much as we are enjoying it. I did get her a colorful one. I do wish I had a colorful one. I want a yellow one so bad, but they don't make it in yellow. When I first bought this, it was only the one color. I bought it on GreenPan's website. And I do love the creamy color. That is a good color for me. But if I was to get any color, I would love yellow. So if they come out with yellow, oh my gosh. I may have to gift this one to someone and get myself the yellow one. I cannot believe this has been in the cone for about 6 or 7 minutes now. It is barely melting. It's not dripping all over, which I really love. And that's something that's awesome, especially as a mom. You want to make cones for your kids and you don't want it dripping all over. I'm gonna go in for the taste test. This is banana soft serve. It's slightly yellow from a little bit of natural food dye. And here we go. Oh my, really love that banana flavor. You wanna make sure your bananas are basically banana bread bananas, the verge of about to, maybe should I toss them or bake with them? You don't have to bake with the bananas anymore and make ice cream. I'm gonna go finish the rest of this off camera. It is so good, and thank God it's not melting. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, taking the time out of your day. And again, I read your comments and your questions, and I will see you guys soon. Take care, and God bless you, friends. Bye.